Hi.
Oh.
This is Malcolm.
And I'm Jordan. I'm Jordan.
You're Malcolm. Ow, my phone.
And she's Leah. And we are going to be singing.
Singing?
What are we going to be singing? I don't know that song.
Wait, let me find one on the radio.
Oh! Good! I do not know that song. I know something like a circus. I still do not know this.
Let me take a picture.
See what you can do.
Yeah.
I'm loving this.
I'm running.
2. Circus. Gonna ring just like a circus.
Poor Malcolm's getting
Something
squished
like
back
a
here by your elbow.
Gonna ring just like a circus. Just like a circus. Woo! Circus.
I hope they can't see that.
No. Oh, please. Oh, crap. I forgot. Your little ghetto glasses.
They broke.
Oh, it's my song, right? This is my jam. Oh, sweet one rapper.
Yes.
So I let her go right. She can do it better than me. Like a lollipop. Like a lollipop. Like a lollipop. Like a lollipop. Shawty wanna fuck. Bottles in the
Wait, I
club.
have a shirt that says that. It goes that.
You know I like to touch a lovely lady. Shawty wanna.
Here it is.
What does it say? Shorty wanna fuck?
Yeah, 21,000. Oh.
And little mom had a swag like mine. He even wore his heart on his back like. Get on the bed and stay on the bed.
Ow!
Like. Man, I ain't never see it. Like. It's me. And me lost for work. I told her back it up like. Made that. Like. Like what?
Lick Malcolm. Lick him.
Bottles in the club. You know I like that touch a lovely lady.
My mom would see this and be like, what the?
Bottles in the club. You know I like to touch a lovely lady. No.
Wait.
No.